Hello and namaste to all the wonderful people out there. This is Neha, and I hope you all are keeping safe and sound. I welcome you back to my channel Soul's Rendezvous, where I address the questions that twin flames might come across while on the twin flame journey. It's a small effort from my side to guide them and help them progress on this journey. So let's get started and pick up today's question. Question for today is, why do I every time choose to leave my twin flame alone if I'm the chaser? Well, it depends on what phase are you on your twin flame journey. If the twin flames are quite a beginner on the twin flame journey and they have got to know about this miraculous journey quite recently, they may ignore each other and they can try to be focused on their own. If you have already progressed on your journey for some time, you might leave your twin flame alone because of the unbearable emotional pain that is caused while you cannot be with them. You may wish to talk to them all the time, but you cannot share your deepest emotions with them due to various reasons, and these reasons may vary and depend on your life situations. You choose to stay apart and choose to be distant from them because your emotions are intense and you would never want to hurt them. All you want them to be happy despite of all the turmoils going inside you. You would never want them to face any hardships or any suffering because of you, even if it requires you staying silent and staying distant from them. All what matters to the twin flames is the peace and happiness of their counterpart, as it would reflect back on the bond they feel between the two. Twin flames are called to be mirrors. However, they behave entirely opposite at times, as they always work in polarity. As in, if there is bad, there is good. If there is darkness, there is light too. If there is sadness around, joy will also be around. And twin flames follow the same concept and fulfill that space in each other's life. For example, when either of them is feeling low, their counterpart automatically gather all the strength to deal with the situation in hand, and vice versa. Twin flames tend to keep interchanging their roles at different juncture on their journey. As you both progress on your journey and you swap roles by being runner from chaser and vice versa, this swapping would take place for repeated cycles until all the inner wounds of both the counterparts get healed. Initially, the idea of stopping the chasing would be physical only, that is, you may withdraw yourself by not texting or meeting them in the 3D world. However, you may still be chasing them energetically. Chasing energetically is even more challenging, and getting over this type of chasing is yet another battle to win. This is because of the fact, even if you remain distant and not in communication, they will always be at the back of your mind. And let me tell you, removing them from your thoughts is next to impossible. You make another attempt to get occupied with your life so much because you have decided not to chase them. But this again would not last long because of the strong pull this connection has. You fail yet another time and chase your counterpart, or maybe this time they approach you without actually knowing why you both have been attracted towards each other. Then comes a state where you are awakened with all this phenomena and come across about this running and chasing dynamics over the journey. You realize about why this running and chasing happened in the first place. This is when you try and attempt to stop chasing your twin flame, as now your counterpart would play the role of chaser, and the interesting aspect is that this chasing would never be deliberate ever from either of the sides. I'm continuously using the word chasing, but this chasing would be only felt as chasing till either of the twin is unawakened. Once the twin counterparts understand and connect with their energies well, they would no more consider it as chasing each other in literal terms and would focus on their respective energies. Hence, spiritual awakening could be another reason why you leave your twin flame in the 3D world, and instead of focusing on chasing him, you focus on self-love and your inner work, which would eventually bring peace in both of you. By now, you have comprehended the true purpose of your journey, and chasing your counterpart would not serve your purpose of being on this divine journey. Once the twins are spiritually awakened, they are made aware that this running chasing is not something that they have been doing deliberately. It was something that was destined, and it is helping them to heal their inner wounds. When either of the two heal any of the issues, as in hurt, anger, anxiety, lack of love, neediness, or codependency from within, they are brought back together to celebrate their journey yet another time. Remember, the cycle of separation and union will keep on repeating until you both attain balance in your respective lives and work on your soul purpose, which may also call for being with your divine counterpart, leaving all the challenges and worries behind. With this, I would like to end this video here. Friends, I would love to hear from you. How do you deal such a situation with your twin flame? Please comment and let me know. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please do like, subscribe and share with someone who is in need and help me spread the word. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and love yourself.